Hello my dear viewers, now I discuss most important LCM maths. Find the least multiple of 17 which when divided by 8, 12, 16 and 20 leaves 5 as remainder. According to the question, to find the LCM of 8, 12, 16 and 20, first we should frame it in this way. See, that is 8, 12, 16 and 20. Okay. Next, now we should focus on to the first number, that is 8. 8 in 2 table, 2 4s are 8. The other number 12, 12 in 2 table, that is 2 6s are 12. The other number 16, 16 in 2 table, that is 2 8s are 16. And the other number 20, 20 in 2 table, that is 2 10s are 20. Now here we have 4. 4 in 2 table, that is 2 2s are 4. The other number 6. 6 in 2 table, that is 2 3s are 6. The other number 8. 8 in 2 table, that is 2 4s are 8. And the other number 10. 10 in 2 table, that is 2 5s are 10. Now here we have 2. 2 in 2 table, that is 2 1s are 2. The other number 3. 3 is not 2 table, we write down as it is. The other number 4. 4 in 2 table is 2 2s are 4. The other number 5. 5 is not 2 table, we write down as it is. We got 1, 3, 2, 5, all are prime number. So our LCM, that is LCM is the product of their two part number, column wise and row wise number. That is LCM equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. That is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24, 24 into 2 48, 48 into 5 240. So 240 our LCM. Am I clear? By dividing each number it gets 5 remainder. Least value of k, for which 240 k plus 5 is a multiple of 17. Now put k equal 1, that is 240 into 1 plus 5 equal 245, not a multiple of 17. Similarly, k equal 2, 3, 4 and 5, not a multiple of 17, but k equals 6, that is 240 into 6 plus 5 equal 1445 is a multiple of 17. So the least number is 1445. Am I clear? Okay. Thank you for watching my video.